Our immune system is our body's natural defense system. It protects us from harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. In today's world, maintaining a robust immune system is more crucial than ever. We face exposure to various environmental pollutants and infectious diseases, making it vital to strengthen our body's natural defenses. A strong immune system helps us stay healthy and reduces the risk of infections. It helps us recover faster when we do get sick. By supporting our immune system, we can live healthier and more resilient lives. Just like a fortress protects its inhabitants, our immune system acts as a shield against harmful invaders. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and ensuring we get adequate nutrients, we empower our immune system to protect us effectively. Vitamin D is a unique nutrient that acts like a hormone in our body. It plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including immune health, bone strength, and cell growth. Unlike other vitamins that we obtain primarily from our diet, vitamin D can be produced by our skin when exposed to sunlight. When sunlight, specifically ultraviolet B (UVB) rays, reach our skin, they trigger the conversion of a cholesterol derivative into vitamin D3. This form of vitamin D is then processed by our liver and kidneys into its active form, known as calcitriol, which is the form that our body can utilize. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because sunlight exposure is the most efficient way for our bodies to produce it. However, factors such as geographical location, time of day, season, and skin pigmentation can significantly influence the amount of vitamin D our skin produces. Vitamin D is not just essential for strong bones, it's a crucial player in regulating and strengthening our immune system. It interacts directly with the cells responsible for fighting off infections, helping them identify and eliminate threats effectively. One way vitamin D boosts immunity is by activating T cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a central role in the immune response. When a foreign invader enters the body, T cells are responsible for recognizing and destroying it. Vitamin D also helps regulate the activity of other immune cells, such as macrophages and B cells, ensuring a balanced and effective immune response. It helps prevent the immune system from overreacting, which is important in preventing autoimmune diseases. Numerous studies have demonstrated a strong link between adequate vitamin D levels and a lower risk of respiratory infections, including colds and the flu. Research has shown that people with sufficient vitamin D levels are less likely to get sick and recover faster if they do. A large study published in the British Medical Journal found that supplementing with vitamin D reduced the risk of acute respiratory infections, particularly in individuals who were deficient. Another study in the journal Pediatrics showed that children with higher vitamin D levels were less likely to develop colds or the flu. These studies provide strong evidence that vitamin D plays a vital role in protecting against common infections, highlighting the importance of maintaining adequate levels for optimal immune function. Section 5. The risks of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is a global health concern, affecting a significant portion of the population. When our bodies lack sufficient vitamin D, it can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections. Deficiency can lead to an increased risk of respiratory infections, autoimmune diseases, and other health problems. People with low vitamin D levels may experience fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, and impaired wound healing. Long-term vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Addressing deficiency is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Section 6. Sunlight, your primary source of vitamin D. Sunlight is the most natural and effective way to boost your vitamin D levels. Spending time outdoors, even for short periods, can significantly contribute to your daily vitamin D production. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure on your arms and face without sunscreen, during midday hours when the sun's rays are strongest. However, it's crucial to be mindful of excessive sun exposure, which can be harmful to the skin. If you live in a region with limited sunlight during certain months, consider using a safe and effective tanning bed designed for vitamin D production. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and consult with a healthcare professional. Section 7. Vitamin D from food sources. While sunlight is the primary source of vitamin D, certain foods can contribute to your daily intake. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are excellent sources of vitamin D. Eggs, particularly the yolk, also contain a moderate amount of vitamin D. Some mushrooms, like shiitake and maitake, are good sources of vitamin D too when exposed to ultraviolet light. Additionally, many food products such as milk, orange juice, and cereals are fortified with vitamin D. Check the nutrition labels to see if the products you consume contain added vitamin D. Section 8. Vitamin D supplementation. When and how much? While obtaining vitamin D from sunlight and diet is ideal, supplementation may be necessary for some individuals to achieve optimal levels, especially during winter months or if they have limited sun exposure. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D varies depending on age, health status, and individual needs. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for you. Vitamin D supplements are available in two forms: D2, ergocalciferol, and D3, cholecalciferol. Vitamin D3 is the form produced by our skin and is generally considered more effective in raising blood levels. Section 9. Take charge of your immune health today. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is crucial for a healthy immune system and overall well-being. By incorporating the information and tips discussed in this essay, you can take proactive steps to enhance your vitamin D status. Remember to enjoy safe sun exposure, include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, and consider supplementation when necessary. Don't hesitate to discuss your vitamin D levels with your healthcare provider to ensure you're getting the right amount for your individual needs. By prioritizing your vitamin D intake, you can empower your body's natural defenses and live a healthier, more resilient life.